Hey everyone, it's Dr. Alan Bauman from Bauman Medical Hair Transplant and Hair Loss Treatment Center. Are you stressed out? Do you think it might be affecting your hair? We're going to talk about how stress affects your hair and what to do about it. Well, today in the modern world, there's no way to escape stress. It's everywhere. But stress is a survival mechanism. If you're being chased by a saber-toothed tiger, the stress enables you to get that burst of energy and get away. But today, we have both physiologic stress and perceived stress that could be affecting our health. Stress can be a killer. Cancer, heart disease, stroke, they're all stress-related. And stress can also affect your hair. So if you've been sick, you've been in the hospital, you've been in an injury, you've gone through some kind of trauma, you're going to have a stressful period, and that could affect all of your organ systems, including your hair. So if you're experiencing stress, it can affect all body systems. It can affect how you eat, how you sleep, how you handle stress in the future. And this can be detrimental. But the good news is that there's a lot that we can do about it. But how does stress affect our hair? Well, the release of cortisol, which is that survival mechanism, can also shut down hair follicles. So if you've been through a stressful period, whether it's physiologic or perceived stress, psychologic, it is possible that you might experience some shedding and some thinning, basically an aggravation of your underlying hair loss condition. So what can we do about this? Well, aside from treating your hair loss through the traditional methods that we do here at Bauman Medical, you want to try to eat right, get a little bit better sleep, use that mindfulness and meditation, exercise. Those are great ways to mitigate stress. And we also have herbs and supplements like ashwagandha. Ashwagandha is an ancient herb that's been used for thousands of years to help mitigate the effects of stress. Stress is something that can certainly cause a lot of hair loss, and by using something like ashwagandha, and under the Bauman brand it's called Zen Master, it's a stress adaptogen. A stress adaptogen makes your body more resilient to stress. And you could also try a stress ball like this. So here at Bauman Medical, we also have a very do good and feel good treatment, a stress relieving treatment called the Scalp Makeover. Everybody knows that massage feels great and can relieve stress. Imagine a 90-minute scalp massage. That also applies therapeutic treatments so that you can be relaxed and treat your scalp condition like hair loss at the same time. So if you think stress has been exacerbating your underlying hair loss condition, come in for an evaluation and a measurement. Let's get a baseline measurement and track your progress over time. We can prescribe prescription medications. We can use non-chemical, non-invasive, low-level laser light therapy, treatments like PRP and PDO, or the no-needle TED, transepidermal delivery of growth factors and peptides, and a whole host of other therapies and treatments here at Bauman Medical. So if you've got stress in your life and you think it's exacerbating your hair loss, click on the links below, and we're here to help.